Today is November 20th, 2018, Tuesday morning. Yes, indeed, 10 a.m. Jacksonville, Florida time. I am Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Getting my workout on, getting ready. One more day, I'll be getting back on that highway. One more day. Yes, indeed. Make this little film for y'all. Make this little video for y'all. Y'all heard me? Alright, y'all. Peace out. Peace out. Time for me to go outside and do my thing.